Privilege creep happens when employees collect access permissions over time, often after promotions, team changes, or temporary projects, without old access ever being removed. CloudEagle.ai's eager report shows that 50% of employees have excessive privileges, making privilege creep one of the most widespread and dangerous identity risks in modern enterprises. When users retain permissions they don't need, your attack surface expands dramatically, making it easier for insider threats, compromised accounts, or accidental misuse to cause serious damage. Privilege creep occurs for many reasons: broad onboarding access, role changes without deprovisioning, lingering project-based access, and overlapping permissions across departments. These leftover privileges accumulate quietly, leading to increased insider threats, bigger breach impact, compliance failures, and operational confusion across the organization. So, how do you fix privilege creep? It starts with enforcing the principle of least privilege, giving every user only the minimum access needed, and nothing more. The next step is role-based access control, or RBAC. By assigning users to predefined roles, you eliminate permission sprawl and ensure access changes automatically as roles change. Regular access reviews are essential. Quarterly reviews help identify outdated privileges, dormant accounts, and risky permissions that need to be removed. Privileged Access Management, or PAM, adds an extra layer of protection by securing admin credentials and enabling just-in-time access that expires automatically. Automation is critical. Without automated provisioning and deprovisioning, permissions pile up fast, especially in organizations with hundreds of SaaS applications. That's where CloudEagle.ai comes in. It gives enterprises complete visibility into who has access to what, while automatically detecting shadow IT, overprivileged users, and suspicious activity. CloudEagle.ai automates provisioning, deprovisioning, access reviews, and JIT access, helping IT teams eliminate privilege creep without manual cleanups or audit headaches. With real-time monitoring, centralized access dashboards, role-based control, and temporary elevated access, CloudEagle.ai makes least privilege enforcement simple, scalable, and audit-ready. If your organization is struggling with excessive access, privilege creep, or compliance gaps, now is the time to act. Explore how CloudEagle.ai can help you eliminate overprivileged access and secure your enterprise. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the read.